Recipe function for making coffee in inTouch SCADA. Recipe function, using a recipe function for inTouch SCADA for making coffee or different coffee. See this, I am opening this. Now I am opening the recipe. This inTouch SCADA, I am using recipe function for making coffee. 3 different coffee: strong coffee, medium coffee and light coffee. 3 different formula you can see. Now if I press button, 3 different type of coffee will come. See this. Now I am making strong coffee in the different formula. See this is strong coffee. Now I am making medium coffee. See, this is the formula. This is the formula for medium coffee. And this is light coffee. See, this is the formula for light coffee. Again I will make strong coffee. See, this is strong coffee. Now this is medium coffee. This is different formula. Medium coffee. Now I will make light coffee. This is the formula for light coffee. Now I make strong.